Okay. Our final video is you're going to answer the questions on pages 13 and 14. All right. So now I want you to pause the video and answer all the questions on page 13 and 14. Let's see how you do. Okay, let's go over them. Question 1. Which grouping of circles, when considered in order from the top to the bottom, best represents the relative size of the atoms of Li, Na, K, and Rd, respectively? Okay? And you can see, you should already know, you can look up atomic radius on the table. Last week, just go here, Li, 2 shells, Na, 3 shells. So Na is going to be bigger circle than Li. K is going to be bigger than Na because it has more shells. So the best choice there is choice 1. The atomic radius gets bigger. Choice 1. Number 2, which list of elements is arranged in order of increasing atomic radii? Okay, remember, you look them up on table S to double check. You always have 3 hours to take a Regents. Or, simple version, you should know the atomic radius increases as you go from right to left, and as you go top to bottom, right? Remember, as you go left to right, it gets smaller. As you go down the group, it gets bigger. Right? So, which list of elements is arranged in order of increasing atomic radius? The best answer would be 4, because 4's choice is this, FCLBRI. You're going down a group, so as you go down a group, you get bigger. So that's the best choice. And you can always look them all up on table S. Choice 4 is the best answer for increasing atomic radius. FCLBRI. Okay, number 3. Which general trend is demonstrated by the group 17 elements as they're considered in order from top to bottom on the periodic table? Again, just go to table S and see which one is true. Going down group 17 from top to bottom, FCLBRI. Which one is true? Choice 2. There is a decrease in electronegativity. Okay? So F is 4.0, Cl is 3.2, Br is 3.0, I is 2.7. Electronegativity decrease. Choice 2. Number 4. Which ion has the largest radius? Again, you just look them up. It's going to be choice 3, K+. All right, you just do the electron configurations. All right, that was a little tricky. I guess I'll explain this one. Na plus, that's 2-8. Mg plus 2, that's also 2-8. K plus is 288, and so is Ca plus 2, 288. So which is the largest radius? Okay, so you know it can't be these two. These have 2 shells. So it has to be K plus or Ca plus 2. All right. So, but K has 19 protons, or nuclear charge of 19, and Ca has 20. Remember, as you get more protons, the radius gets smaller because it's sucking electrons. So the largest radius would be K, choice 3. Number 5 is the elements of group 17 are considered in order of increasing atomic number. Group 17, increasing atomic number, going from top to bottom. There's an increase in what? Choice 1, atomic radius. Why? More shells. Number 6, which general trend is found in period 2 on the periodic table as elements are considered in order of increasing atomic number? Order of increasing atomic number in period 2 is left to right. Which of the following is true? Choice 1, it's increasing first ionization energy, getting more non-metallic. Increasing first ionization energy. Again, you always look up the numbers on the table S or periodic table to pick out the answers. All right, number 7. Considering the succession, the elements in period 2 of the periodic table show a decrease in atomic radius with increasing atomic number. This may be explained by the fact that why the radius gets smaller as you go across the period. Because there's an increase in the number of protons or nuclear charge. So the best answer is choice 1, that the nuclear charge increases. And that reminds me to go back to page 4 and do number 10. Let's just go back to page 4 real briefly, number 10. And page 4, number 10 says, magnesium has a smaller atomic radius than sodium because the magnesium atom has more 3 protons. It has 1 more proton than sodium, so it's going to be a little bit smaller than sodium. Okay. Now back to page 13. Number 8, as the elements of group 1 on the periodic table are considered in order of increasing atomic radius. It means, again, as you go from top to bottom, increasing atomic radius. The ionization energy of each successive element generally 1 decreases. Okay, again, just look those up on table S. Okay, page 14. Number 9. Which characteristics both generally decrease when the elements in period 3 on the periodic table are considered in order from left to right? Okay, from left to right, the only two things that decrease are metallic properties, because you're going from metals to nonmetals, and atomic radius, because you're going more protons sucking in the electrons, so you're getting smaller. So metallic properties decrease and atomic radius decrease, choice 3. Number 10, the elements in period 5 on the periodic table are arranged from left to right in order of choice 4, increasing atomic number. Number 11, which of the following group 15 elements has the greatest metallic character? Group 15, greatest metallic character means furthest one down. Further down you go, the more metallic you get. The answer is bismuth, choice 4. Number 12, according to reference table S, which sequence correctly places the elements in order of increasing ionization energy? You can just look them up, and the best choice is choice 2. I, Br, C, L, F. Remember, as you go up a group, you're getting higher ionization energies. Okay. But always be safe. On the safe side, look them all up. Make sure it does that, because sometimes there's a little glitch in here and there. All right, number 13. Which general trend is found in period 2 on the periodic table as elements are considered in order of increasing atomic number? So that's left to right again, which is true. As you go from left to right, choice 4, increasing first ionization energy, because you're getting more non-metallic. Number 14, as atomic number increases within group 15 on the periodic table, atomic radius is going to obviously increase. Choice 2, increases only, right, because you're getting more shells. 15, an atom which element has the largest atomic radius? You can just look them all up on table S, all right, and the answer is choice 1, Fe. Largest atomic radius, go to atomic radius column on table S, it's Fe, choice 1. Number 16, as the elements in group 17 on the periodic table are considered from top to bottom, what happens to atomic radius and the metallic character of each successive element? Okay, top to bottom, you're getting more shells again, so the atomic radius is going to decrease. And even though these are all nonmetals, the further you go down, the more metallic you get. Remember, F is the most reactive nonmetal. The further up you are, the more nonmetallic you are. The further down you are, the more metallic you are. All right, so the best answer for number 16 is choice 2. The atomic radius increases, so you get more shells, and the metallic character decreases, choice 2. Okay, 2 more questions. 17. Fr, francium, has the largest atomic radius of all given elements in table S. Using the periodic table, explain why this is to be expected. All right, because you can say, because it has 7 shells, and in period 7 it has the least number of protons. Because it has 7 shells, and in period 7 it has the least number of protons. Okay, remember, the biggest radius means more shells and the least protons, all right? So if you go to 88, it's going to have a small radius because they have more protons. So with bigger radius, less protons. And when we're talking about periods, small radius, so we have more protons, bigger radius, less protons. So we have lower atomic number and more shells. So that's why Fr. So it's because it has 7 shells, and in period 7 it has the least number of protons. And the final question, 18. State the general trend of first ionization energy for the elements in group 2, as these elements are considered in order from top to bottom. All right, so as you know, let's just look it up on table S. The answer is, as atomic number increases, ionization energy decreases. As atomic number increases, ionization energy decreases. So if you had trouble with these, again, look them over. All right, ask any questions when you return to school. All right, this concludes our final video for the Christmas vacation.